make the salmon melt.
And you know I have a twist. I'm going to be using DivineKuizine's jerk rub. So this is another way that you can use our jerk seasoning with this salmon melt. Okay, so let's get started on seasoning. So I have some salt. So I have some wild caught salmon here, and it does have the skin on it. Once it's finished cooking, the skin will slide right off, or you could just get it without the skin. So I have some salt, some complete seasoning, onion powder, pepper, Creole seasoning, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and you know we can't forget the green seasoning. So we got a little bit of green seasoning, about a teaspoon of that. And DivineKuizine's jerk rub. DivineKuizine's jerk rub. And I'm gonna do like a teaspoon, about 2 teaspoons of this jerk rub. And then a little bit of olive oil. And then we're gonna just mix this all together so all of it gets, all the seasonings and the sauce all gets nice and marinated on the fish. So it looks like this with all the stuff on it. And so now what we're gonna get ready to do, we're gonna pan fry it, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for it to finish cooking. Putting the fillets, I have 3 salmon fillets here. Place it in the pan. And let them cook on that side, and then I'm gonna finish them off in the oven. Put the salmon, the jerk salmon, in the oven at 425 degrees, and that's gonna probably do about 10 to 15 minutes until it's all the way done. So now we're getting ready to make the spinach mixture that will go on to the spinach, the salmon spinach melt, which is like a jerk salmon, I guess, spinach melt, because we use the DivineKuizine jerk rub. Go to the spinach up, and then I have some mozzarella cheese. I have some Italian blend cheese. About 3 tablespoons of that in here, and then I'm going to season it with a little bit of seasoned pepper. Just a little seasoned pepper, a tad bit of salt, because you already know cheese and stuff is kind of salty, so you don't want a lot of salt. I'm going to put some smoked paprika, just a tad, a little bit of red pepper flakes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this together. So this is what it looks like. We'll put it on the sandwich, set that to the side, and get ready for my bread. I'm using a sourdough bread that I got from Whole Foods in their bakery. So see, it's about how thick you want it. DivineKuizine remoulade sauce, and it can be used for various things. It can be used for sandwiches, salad, fish, French fries, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to smear a little bit inside on the bread, and this kind of has like a sweet spice to it. Really good like on fried fish and stuff. It can take the place of like tartar sauce or different sandwiches, hamburgers, instead of your mayo or your potato salad, things of that nature. Okay. cheese, which is the mozzarella cheese, provolone. Go ahead and put it in the fryer and let everything get nice and melty. Ready? Now just for it to get all melted. Okay y'all, so now I'm getting ready to review the salmon melt. Remember I used my DivineKuizine remoulade sauce and I used the DivineKuizine jerk rubs. Now I'm about to go in. It was nice and ooey and gooey. And I used sourdough bread. It's good. I really could put a little more jerk rub on here to get more spicier. So it's not as spicy, but it's a good flavor to it. But I would have put a little more, so if you do it and you want really like more hot heat, I did 2 teaspoons. Maybe do like, maybe like 4 teaspoons or something like that. But it's good. I've never had salmon and cheese together. And it's actually good with the spinach, like the spinach dip, and then the cheese, the provolone cheese, the mozzarella, the salmon with the sourdough bread. This is really good. And then the remoulade, you can taste a little remoulade, and the remoulade gives a little kick because that remoulade has like a little spice in it. So this is really good to make. It was easy, it's good. You could eat this for lunch. I could even have this like for dinner, you know what I'm saying, with a nice little salad on the side, or just eat this. This is really good. And this was another way that you can use DivineKuizine's products, the remoulade and the jerk rub. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified every time I have a recipe. Love y'all, Chef Shay.